have just brought this old ice cream cart. Let's get it restored. I've just brought this back with my pocket money, but it needs lots of work. It's dirty, it's rusty, it's rotten. So these are some of the things that it needs doing to it. So we need to take this wrap off and paint it. So with the top, well, not take the wrap off it, but paint it. We need the base to be painted. We've also got some inner tube for these wheels, and I think we will have to grease the bike chain so we can ride it. And we also need to replace this rotten basket because it's very rotten. I've got the extension lead out of the bus. Let's plug it in to see if it works. We're just walking around to the range with our pocket money, and we're going to buy some things to restore the bike. I've got my paint and my sandpaper, so now we just need to get some bricks. So I'm trying to limit the price that I'm using, so we need to find some of the cheapest ones. So, $3.49. That's got no price. I think we'll get these ones because they've got like different sizes on them. So yeah. So my dad's took it out of the trailer, so I think we need to take the wrap off so we can see how bad it is.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong, baby, you and I, baby.
I'm going to start putting some washing up liquid so we can clean it.
Well, we're working with this. Wait, is it too bad?
Ready?
Get on the walls.
That if it goes outside. Sorry.
That's alright. Right again, Phoebe. Bang that jet wash on. Our battery powered jet wash.
How do you do this?
So you've got to push the button inside there and click.
Can I have a try?
You can have a try.
So now we're going to start trying it. So now we're going to take off the basket, what I think was just full up, when these cable ties. So let's get started. So we're going first by emptying these out. Just take all this out. When it should.
Okay. Look.
Let me see what's underneath. There's a
Right,
cable tie.
You need to hold.
It's cable tie. Okay, pull it up. It's your corner. So it doesn't matter if the basket breaks.
Well, we just did that without that. So, anyways.
So now I need to move the bike backwards through it so you can see the cable ties. So need these. Got these.
Them called knoll grips.
Now we need to figure out how to
Just try pull up. Ready?
how to
Ta-da!
So now we're going to clean the base.
Yeah, it's very dirty. Look,
Yeah.
it's dirty. So what do we need to do first, Poppy? Take all of this out.
Take this.
And that.
I've already got my hands dirty. It's that. Okay, I'm going to start off with this face. When we go start when do the whole bike, when do that.
Yeah, good idea, Poppy. Let
I-
me get a wipe. Where are the wipes?
They're here.
Where?
Do you want me to hold them?
Hold the camera while I get them, Poppy.
If we put it here, can you see us? Yeah, you might need to move the bike back. Be careful because you go block the camera.
It's fine.
There we go. Let's go get this. When rub that, when I can set you down. I'm going to start spraying.
That is
I start spraying the whole. I'm going to wash this seat.
that is thick. Look. That is thick, guys.
It's going to be thick. It's old.
I know it's old. It's not older than you though, is it?
I don't know. Table. You guys.
This.
No, that's where drop house where I put in it there.
Rub, rub, rub.
I say rub, rub. Washing up.
Bro, why do I call it elbow grease? It's because the brand name's elbow grease, so I don't even know.
Get this end. Let's see how dirty this is. Very, very dirty.
Yeah. That's all, Poppy. We don't need any more than that. We've got the bike as clean as we can get it. So we've dried all of this, we've sprayed it,
I've cleaned all this.
and Poppy has cleaned the
It's a little bit
seat.
rusty.
It's a bit rusty, but we can maybe get that off with sandpaper. So it's day 2 of trying to fix the bike. So it has been raining, but we are going to try paint the fridge so we can get that sorted, and we are painting it this colour green. To spray paint the base, but I've already done some, so we just need to do a spray over. So I'm technically going to concentrate on this bit because this is the bit I've done the less. So let's do this.
Hey.
So yesterday it rained and we just finished painting this, so I've had to recoat it with paint, but I don't know if it's done anything to it. So you can still see where the rain has done, but I think it'll be alright. So yeah.
I come to hang up and get some sweet for I-frame on the bike. Come on.
Chewing gum? It is proper raining, isn't it? But we're giving sweets out.
I'm only wearing my jumper.
We're on it. We're going to find someone to get some sweets too. Come on, let's see what we can find. There's not many people here, is there? Let's keep going. It's a bit wet. It's a bit wet, isn't it? It's proper raining. Proper rain. Chocolate. Come on, man. Yeah, why not? Come on. You know, like the old chocolate balls, you take the wrappers off.
Oh, look like Brussels sprouts.
Yes. Take a couple.
Thank you.
We've got hundreds of different options.
We've got some chocolate balls.
Hold your own dog. So basically take the wrappers off.
Thank you.
No problem. Come on then, keep pushing, girls.
The weather is so bad.
Keep going.
I'm so stuck. Anyway, I'm so